Dear first home buyers, still searching for your dream home but haven't been able to buy yet? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing the 3 key things you need to turn your homeownership dream into reality. The first, or the big one, is mindset. The second one is support and guidance. And the third, or the last one, is execution. A strong home buying mindset combines clear goals, financial readiness, and an emotional connection to your future home. Set clear goals. Define what you want in a home, including location, size, amenities, and budget. Prioritize must-haves. List what matters most, such as layout, proximity to schools, or outdoor space. Financial readiness. 1. Understand your income, savings, and debts. 2. Calculate your budget, including mortgage payments, insurance, council rate, and maintenance. 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. We can help you find the best deal. Emotional connection. 1. Choose a place that truly feels like home. 2. Be open to first impressions. How does the property make you feel? 3. Focus on features that bring warmth and comfort, like a cozy living space or a beautiful garden. The second key thing is support and guidance. Once you have the right mindset, the next step is knowing how to buy. And that's where we come in to provide all support and guidance that you need. With over 15 years of experience, we'll create a tailor-made home buying blueprint for you. By following this personalized plan, you'll be well on your way to securing your dream home. The third key thing is execution, or taking action. Now you have the knowledge and support, the final step is to act. Taking action is what makes it happen, and this is called execution. Start house hunting. Shortlist properties that fit your needs and budget. Make an offer and secure financing. Negotiate the best deal and finalize your loan. Settlement and move in. We'll guide you through every step until you have the keys in hand. To explore how we can work together, book a free strategy session with Amit, our home buyers specialist. Let's create a plan that gets you into your dream home, hassle-free.